Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel BharathEduTech. In today's video, we are going to do another Node.js mini project called QR generator. So let's start this. First, I am going to create a folder called QR generator. And I am going to initialize npm in this QR generator folder. So cd, so in my terminal cd QR tab, and in QR generator I am going to initialize npm init -y, and we have our package.json file, and in the same folder I am going to create an index.js file, and in our package.json I am going to give type as module to use import export system. So I'm going to give module, save it. We are gonna need two npm packages to complete this QR generator project. So let's go into the browser. So one is inquirer. So this package is used to get user input from the command line. Okay, so whatever the URL they pass through the command line, we are going to read it and use it. And one more is this QR image package. So this is going to create an actual QR image to whatever URL that you are passing. Okay, so let's install both of these packages in our project. So one is npm I inquirer. So I'm going to copy this. Let's go to our project and I'm going to paste this. And one more is QR image. I'm going to copy this, and let's go to our project and I'm going to paste this. Now that we got both our packages installed in our project, so let's start writing the code. So for that I'll go to this inquirer package. So let's see how we can get user input from the command line using this inquirer package. So let's scroll a bit and see their documentation. So here it's the documentation. So now they are saying this is how you can use our inquirer package to get the user input from the command line. So I'm going to copy this. Let's go to the VS Code. I am going to explain you there, and in the index.js I am going to paste this. So now what they are saying is, so pass your question in this prompt array. I am going to process this and give you a result in this block. If there is any error, I am going to catch in this catch block. Okay, very simple, right? So now our big question is how to pass question in this prompt array, right? So let's again go back to the documentation and see how we can pass the question. So if I scroll a bit down, and here you can see question. So they are saying question is an object that consists of these properties. So we are going to use two properties, message and name. Okay, so let's write this object, and I'm going to get rid of this. So I'm going to create an object, and here I am going to use two properties. One is message, so that I am going to convey to the user. So I'm going to ask them enter your URL. So I'm going to use one more property called name, where I'm going to store user input. Okay, so let's save this and let's console our answer, console.log answers. Save this and let's see what answer we'll get. I'll open the terminal, and to run this index.js file I'm going to use command node index.js. So now it's asking to enter your URL. So I'm going to write www.google.com, and it returns the answer in a key value pair with the name URL. So now we can use this URL to generate the QR image. Okay, let's go to QR image package. So the same process, we are going to see their documentation and see how we can generate an actual QR image. So if I scroll a bit down, here I can see an example usage. This is just only a 2 lines of code. So I'm going to copy these 2 lines of code, and since we are using a module system, I am going to import this manually in VS Code. So let's go to VS Code. So I'm going to paste these 2 lines of codes in this answer block. Okay, so let's import our QR image package. Import QR from QR image package. Okay, and again here we have a common JS module import here for file system. So again I'm going to get rid of this, and fs is a node native module, so I'm going to import it directly, fs from fs module. Okay, so let's pass that fs here, save this, and here where our url goes, and let's get the url from this answers. So const url is equal to answers dot url. So that's the name that we passed, url, and I'm going to provide that url here, and by default it will be a png type image, so I'm going to get rid of this, and for the file name I'm going to give it as qr underscore image dot png. Okay, so let's save this and test this. So I'm going to open terminal and write command node.index.js. So it's asking me for entering URL. So I'm going to give complete URL https www.google.com. So if I enter, on the left side you can see a QR image PNG file got added. So if I open this, so you got your QR image generated. So test this using your mobile phone. So I tested it was working fine. So this is how you can generate a simple QR code using Node.js. So hope you had fun. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.